Hi there! Let's go through a quick walkthrough of how to renew the volume purchasing content token in Jamf Pro using Apple Business. From the Jamf Pro dashboard, navigate to Settings, Global, Volume Purchasing. Select the name of the location you want to renew. Next, open a new tab or browser window and navigate to Apple Business at business.apple.com. After logging in with credentials associated with your volume purchasing content token, click your organization name in the top right, and then click Settings. Under Payments and Billing, Apps and Books, we find the Content Tokens section. Click Download next to the content token location that you are renewing. Once the download is complete, let's return to Jamf Pro. On the location screen, click Edit in the bottom right corner. Click Renew Service Token and upload the VPP token file you just downloaded. Don't forget to click Save on the bottom right to keep all the changes we just made, and that's it! We know the token was successfully renewed because the new expiration date is 1 year from today. Thanks for watching.